Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. So today I'm gonna make a photo frame with the help of scrap paper only. This will bring smile on the face whom you give this beautiful photo frame. So initially I'm taking 12 paper of different colors, and if you wanna ask the size of the pages, then simply you can take any size according to you as you want to make it. So stick all the pages on one page. Make sure you are sticking all the paper in a well manner so that it will not separate from each other in future. So follow me as I am doing. You will make it easily. At last, paste your photo at the front side of the photo frame. Hope you like the video. Share the video and subscribe my channel. एंड प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताइएगा कि अगली वीडियो किस टॉपिक पे होनी चाहिए। मैं जल्द से जल्द उस टॉपिक पे वीडियो लेके आऊँगी।